Namaskar, this is Durgesh Kumar Gupta. In this video, we will learn about present continuous tense. So, what do you understand by present continuous tense? The present continuous tense represents continuity of an action at present. It is also known as present progressive tense. Now we will learn the structure of present continuous tense. For an affirmative sentence, it is subject plus is or am or are plus fourth form of the verb plus object. Fourth form of the verb means verb plus ing. Just see the example. I am going to market. Subject plus is or am or are plus not plus fourth form of the verb plus object. For example, I am not going to the doctor. You are not watching movies. Pawan is not dancing well. For an interrogative sentence, it is or am or are plus subject plus fourth form of the verb plus object. For example, is he performing well in the class? Am I going in the right direction? Are you suffering from fever? Thank you all for watching the video. I hope you may have enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Bye. Take care. Namaskar.